So you know how ice cream trucks have been showing up in the middle of the night playing their creepy music in order to lure people to their van? Well, this guy on TikTok thought it would be a good idea to follow one of them all the way back home at 2 a.m. and what he found was really disturbing. He noticed that there were multiple men in the truck who all came out wearing hazmat suits, and then they got in their other car and drove off to some random location. Once they had left, he inspected the cars and noticed that none of them had any license plates on them, and as a result, every single person in the comments was urging him to call the cops, and are even worried that something bad might happen to him because his videos have gone extremely viral.